afternoon. So what went wrong this time, Mark? I'll tell you. I was supposed to film going right round the lake, but halfway round it comes up not enough storage available. So I had to quickly pull the thing off, delete a couple of album, pictures, videos, whatever, shove it back in the gimbal, and go around again. That's why there's a bit of a gap. Also, to begin, everybody's a critic these days. At the beginning, when I'm doing the walking, that was done in January, and the bit when I'm on the train was done today, which is I think it's the 12th of April. Anyway, it's all done now, so I hope you enjoy. And I do recommend it. Despite me moaning at the beginning, it's a really good day out, and it's dead cheap, £3.50 for an adult. And kids can also go crabbing as well. There's massive big crabs down there as well, but we're not going to do any jokes, just get on with it. Enjoy. There. Right. As promised, Rhyl videos. We're starting at the very beginning, as Miss Julie Andrews would prompt us to do, at Marine Lake. And as you can see, it's been drained. And according to that sign over there, it's clean and supports a wild variety of wildlife. Flatfish, eels, crabs. I've seen the crabs. And it's safe to play in. It wouldn't get me in there. I was going to walk around that way, but everybody's decided to come up with the dog today, so I want to go the boring way around. Oh, there's a bird. Afternoon. Hello, you right?
Yeah, you.
Hello, doggy. You want to be in the camera?
Always.
You're a star. Obviously I knew that person. I don't talk to strangers like that. Where was I? Yeah, so apparently this is a spring clean time. They emptied it and they flooded it again when they got all the crap out of it. So that could be a long old job. Here's a railway line for Minter Railway, which is incredibly boring. I mean, it's nice that thing that they do, but if you go around, there's just a track, there's no tunnels, there's no... What's the other thing? Oh, I can't remember now. Really should script these things. Railway station. Come down here, there's never see us all, but today, because I've got the camera out, hundreds of people, so I'm going down there. Don't get too close as if you're going AOT into these. Hey, that's not clean. Well, there are lots of birdies out there. Well, no, what's actually out there? Definitely a building of some sort. And my kayak is still underneath my bed. I've had it for 2 years now, never used it. Bright ideas, big ideas even. Right, I'm going to cut off here and then see if I can get this thing to work again a bit further in town. So here we are, back down Marine Lake, and this time it's full. Lovely sunny day, and the choo-choos are running as well. I don't know if this one's going out yet. Perhaps you just get ready for the bank holiday weekend. Is that going to be running today?
It's possibly going to be going round on test.
Later on?
Yeah, a little later on.
Alright, we'll have to come back later. How many engines have you got?
So far, 6 working steam locos.
Really? Well, impressed.
6 working steam and 2 diesels.
It's going to have a busy weekend, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
Lovely children's.
Well, steam all 4 days.
All 4?
Yeah.
Oh God, I love that smell. What is it?
Probably coal fire.
Takes me back to when I was about 5 or 6 and steam trains were running. I'm old enough for that. Right, I'll come back later on and have another look. See you lads. Oh god, that smell does not take me back. Right, I'm gonna have a walk down Wellington Road now. And for those of you trying to get references, all that there is where the fair used to be. You know, when Rhyl was a seaside town. Like I say, bank holiday weekend's coming up. Weather's great. It's going to be... I sound like that thing from Jaws, don't I? The mayor's going on about what a cracking weekend they're going to have. You know amity means friendship. I know that film too well, although I don't think we got any sharks. Lone sharks, yes. Sharks, no. Hope this is recording. I can't see because of the sun. Let's get a bit of shade somewhere and have a look. Yeah, it's on. So where are we now? Yeah, Wellington Road. Can't see the screen at all. So for all I know, I could just point at the road. Lovely video of bricks. Do you know what? I've just realised, stupid sod. The reason I can't see the screen is because I've got my glasses on that are turning into sunglasses. What do you call it? Reactive lenses. It's stupid. I'll take the thing off again now. There. Right, that used to be the bistro. Absolutely brilliant restaurant. Unfortunately, that closed down because guy took retirement. I'm now on Welly Road. Shiny things. Ocean City, probably the best takeaway, in my opinion. It's gone down again. Oh no, it's alright. It's a big vet. Not is there is a big vet, it's a big vet place. No, hang on. Yeah, vets of all different sizes, but it is a good place to take your animals when they're not well. There you go. And get used to be Aldi. Take these glasses off, I can't see a bloody thing. This computer shop is recommended. I've taken mine in a few times. Never rip it off, always very informative. See in the distance, Leaning Tower of Rhyl, leaning slightly to the right. Sun in, decent little boozer, nice function room at the back. There's a couple of good do's there. I've done a couple of good do's there as well. Although windows need doing. I might keep doing that. Oh, here we go. Thank you. Oh. Don't think it wants to stay on. Where are you going? Sorry. There. Thank you. I think the battery must be going on it again already. Well, it's been on charge for 24 hours. They got the new bins. Yeah, they got the new bins. That's the exciting times in Rhyl, we're getting new bins, freaking hell. It's going again. But you're gonna get drunk watching this. I'm gonna have to get a new one of these, I don't like it. There, stay there. Trying to get that bloody... I can't. Church, that is now accommodation. Bus to Clandin, no, don't ever get that bus. It takes hours and hours and hours. And if you're unlucky, you catch it when all the kids get out of school, that's a nightmare. Right, got to take off to get run over. Oh, full of cheers. Right, I'm gonna stop here because this thing's getting on my nerves again. But hello, seagull. See this place here? That used to be the RNA, and we went to a do-day once, and they had a drag DJ on, and he had on exactly the same outfit as the birthday girl. How embarrassing is that? So on that happy little story, I'm going to leave it there. I'll see it's going. Bye bye. Right, I'm at Rhyl running to railway station. Hopefully this gimbal's going to hold out. I was going to get that train, but the nice man said get the next one because it would be the proper steamy, so I'll have a little walk around this. And where's that thing on? It's a particular sign. Oh, there it is. This sign here. Engine men are forbidden to blow their whistles or drain cocks while standing in the station, as this may frighten horses and alarm passengers. Furthermore, leaking cocks must be attended to. A fine of £6 for each leaking cock will be strictly enforced. Out of all the amazing things in this station, that's the one thing that I noticed. I'm going to go in here now. Britain's oldest miniature railway, April 1911, and it's here in Rhyl. Oh, hang on. Please press the Thomas button only once. It's weakly amused. Open 1911. I'd love one of these. Oh, pretend all the parts of it. Oh, is he going back? Bye. Ooh. Actually, it's only £3.50 now to go around the lake, which I think is a bloody bargain. which we'll be doing shortly. Right, as soon as I turn this off, I'll put a little donation in the thingy. Back out. A little round, got a lot of trains.
Do you want to wait? You can sit here then for a minute.
And hopefully that's the one I'm going on. Railway Queen. Right. So here we go. Will the gimbal behave itself?